You ever buy a sneaker in a hot colorway and just feel like there's something missing? Like there's just something you can add to it. Or maybe there's another color there, but there's not enough of it. Well, today we're gonna talk about a way to get that color at the forefront on full blast, baby. We talking about the lace swap. So necessary for every sneakerhead. I mean, you don't know how necessary it is until you get into it, all right? So this your boy Fresco, Technology TV. Let's go, baby. All right, everybody, welcome back. And today, like I said, we're covering a topic so necessary for every sneakerhead. You really don't know how necessary it is until you get into it, and that's the lace swap, all right? And we're gonna practice our lace swap today on a hot sneaker, a hot cop that I caught this year. I mean, I'm glad I got it. And it didn't release in America, the Court Purple Jordan 3. You know, you can just take a little look at it. Nice. It's just dope. This was definitely a hot one. So we're gonna lace swap these Court Purple 3s because I feel like the black laces just kind of melt into the sneaker. They could have gave me purple, and you know, the accent color is orange. They could have gave us orange, but they just gave us black. So today I'm gonna show you how to lace swap like a pro. Super easy. Let's get into it, all right? So step one is to buy some laces. Now there's a lot of places you could buy laces, and make sure you find exactly what you want. I use Slickies to buy my laces because they have a lot of nice lace guides, you know, with colors and lengths and things like that to help you buy your laces. But you can choose any lace provider you want. You can ask your friends, you can ask Reddit, do what you feel like, get your laces. You can get some off eBay, but just make sure you get the right length. And you know, experiment with the colors. If you're gonna buy, you know, a color, buy different shades. You know, you might not get the right one the first time. All right. Step two is to unlace your sneaker. Now, don't be afraid. All right. A lot of people don't want to unlace the sneaker because they don't know how to lace it back. But we got you covered in this episode. All right. So just get in there, dive in, and unlace that sneaker. All right. Let's go. Now that we unlaced, we're gonna get into step three, relace, all right? So pay close attention. There's just a couple of pointers in here that we need to get to so your laces can be crispy, all right? And today, I chose to go accent color and get more orange on this sneaker because I felt like, you know, it could use it. I think it's gonna look hot. We'll see when it's over, all right? So yeah, first thing you wanna do is make sure your laces are flat, and you wanna put both ends into the sneaker like this. All right, make sure these ends are pretty much the same length. And once you have them at the same length, just pull. All right, so now what you're looking for here is to keep these laces from twisting. You want this clean, flat loop at the bottom right here. This is what you want, that clean, flat entry. Bang, don't pull too hard because you don't want to make the sneaker tight. So now you want to choose which side you're going to handle first every time. All right, I'm going to go with my left-hand side. We're going to handle my left-hand side first every time. And what that means is that we take this, you want to draw it back, flatten it out, and you want to get that right over to the other side. All right, make sure you keep it from twisting. And you see we got a little twist right here, but I'm going to show you a way to remedy that. You can simply twist it back. All right, bang. Now we're going right hand side. Right, and you pretty much want to do that until you get to your last lace loop. So let's just go for it. Now, step three. Step three is very important, okay? I mean, honestly, it depends on your lacing style. If you are planning on tightening and tying these laces, you just go ahead and lace them up as normal. The lace mechanism will work. You know how laces work, all right? but I like to stylize mine. So what I have to do is on my last lace loop, I have to reverse lace and go inward. All right, I'm gonna show you that right now. So you take your side, you bring it over and into the lace hole. All right, so like I said, over and into the front of the lace hole instead of the back. Now this is very important for stylized laces because you can then move on to do something like this. You see that? You have nice stylized lacing. Now, stylized lacing is not for everybody because oftentimes it results in you tucking your lace in your shoe. So now that your laces are tucked, when you put your foot in your shoe, it kind of moves the laces to the front. I mean, it doesn't bother me, but there will be laces touching your feet. I mean, you know, try it out for yourself and see how it works for you. You will also need to have a size in the sneaker that is snug on you, which may not be your true size, maybe a half a size down or something like that, because the laces won't be tightened. So the sneaker itself would have to be, you know, what holds onto your foot, okay? But it does look great. As you can see, just this little in out right here at the top, just I feel adds so much to the sneaker. And this is just a proper lace swap. We got the accent color from the tongue, you know, from the outsole, you know, hitting the sneaker. It's not the exact color, it's not perfect, but I just feel like it adds a lot of pop to the sneaker. And that is how you get the most out of your sneaker colorway, I feel. I mean, like I said, this sneaker to me just looks great. Now, it looks better than it did before. The black laces, like I said, kind of just melted into the sneaker, and now we got that real pop going on. Now, finding that snug fit on your sneaker, there is some science to that, all right? And we'll have that video for you right here. Find the 3 sizes in your sneaker so that you can get some stylized lacing going on. It's your boy Fresco from Technology TV, back with another one, like I said, for my sneakerheads, very essential skill here, all right? And as always, we see you on the next one. Be easy, my G.